Did you know that compressed air can account for around 20% of a factory's total energy consumption? Yet in many factories it's still managed without real visibility. Let's break it down. Compressed air is one of those utilities that quietly does its jobs in the background, until something goes wrong. The challenge is that without proper measurement, decisions are often based on assumptions. You might suspect leaks, inefficiencies or pressure drops, but without data you don't actually know what's happening. This is where digitalization makes a real difference. Instead of relying on a single measurement at compressor level, you gain visibility directly at machine level, where the real insights are. And that matters more than you might think. For example, air blowing alone can represent over 40% of compressed air consumption. This makes it one of the largest and often untapped opportunity for reducing cost and improving efficiency. By measuring what's happening across your system using flow and pressure and humidity sensor, you start to build a clear and accurate picture of your operations. Once the data is available, everything changes. You can identify inefficiencies and leaks, monitor pressure stability, detect early sign of system imbalance or component wear. Instead of reacting to issues, you can anticipate them, reducing downtime, improving quality and supporting more consistent production performance. And that value goes beyond energy efficiency. Digitalization allows you to connect compressed air behavior directly to machine performance, helping you understand the real impact on cycle times, production quality, and overall productivity. The best part? You don't need to transform everything at once. Starting with a single machine or production line can already deliver valuable insight, and from there you can scale step by step. At SMC, we support you throughout this journey, from measurement to optimization, helping you turn data into measurable result and long-term performance improvement.